YouTube, it's your girl lasheavibez coming into you with another Curlbox video. And I was so excited to give these products a try. If you're new to the channel or the first time you ran across a Curlbox video, what Curlbox is a monthly subscription where you pay $20 a month. It's $5 for shipping. You usually receive anywhere between 5 to 7 items, and usually they're in the same product line. Makes for a great wash day. Sometimes they may differ. Sometimes the boxes even include accessories like mirrors and brushes and things, even scarf, things like that. I will leave the link below to Curlbox if you're interested in checking that out. That's a great way to try different products you may have never thought about trying, or maybe products that you heard of and never got the chance to try. Curlbox is a great way to try out some new and different products. And I want to shout out to my girl Shamice, who recently signed up for her Curlbox, and I'm excited so me and her can share notes. So share the love. If you get Curlbox, or run across Curlbox or know people that use the Curlbox, check it out. It's a great subscription. Okay, now let's get into the review. What I love and is special about Curlbox is each month, each Curlbox has its theme, and this was this month's Curlbox. They always have a beautiful model on the front of the Curlbox, and the theme was Hair Rescue. And it's the ORS HAIRepair line. What I liked about this box is whenever I was looking over the products, words like soothe and detox, I knew I was in for a great treatment, versus just styling. I was going to be getting some form of treatment. So I was really excited about this box. Each Curlbox, it comes with a little welcoming card. And then this Curlbox, there's actually a promotion on it. There's a swap, which I will definitely be entering. Some of the boxes receive the multi-benefit serum, and then some of the boxes receive the oil. I was fortunate enough, I had received a sample size of the ORS HAIRepair serum, and as you can see, I had used it when I was in protective style, and I really like this oil. I received this at the last year's World Natural Hair Care Show here in Atlanta, Georgia, so I was glad that that my box included the serum versus the oil, since I already had tried the oil. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the review. Like I mentioned before, when I seen this line, because I always peek, it is exciting. Receive your, you get your box or not. I have a problem with peeking just to see what will be received in the current box. I'll either look at some YouTube videos, or sometimes Curlbox will show the items before I actually get my Curlbox in the mail, because I usually receive my Curlbox around the 15th, between the 15th and the 17th of every month. So I started off with the Scalp Rescuing Detox Shampoo, sulfate free. The whole detox, because for some reason, if you follow the channel, you'll know that I'm getting professional treatment on my scalp, like the edges, and for some reason I've been using the miracle drops. I also have a video on my dermatologist consultation. I'll list that below in the description box, and also on the specialty Curlbox that they had, I did a review on the kaleidoscope, the miracle drop, so I will leave that below. So I've been having my scalp has just been feeling a little itchy, so this came right on time. So I started off with the Scalp Rescuing Detox Shampoo. It's sulfate free. It detoxes, soothes, moisturizes, and balances. It's rose clay active oil and PE15 complex. This is a high performance scalp and hair fix inspired by skincare. Advanced treatment shampoo formulated to detox scalp and hair from buildup and impurities that can clog the pores, irritate scalp, or lead to dry, dull, weighed down strands. I did like the shampoo. When I tell you, look how much I use it. Still looks like it's brand new. With this, you only need a very little bit. I use maybe just 3 or 4 pumps, and when I tell you the lather, it smells highly medicated. It smells kind of like peppermint, but it smells highly medicated. So when you apply it, it does make you feel like it feels like you're getting a treatment. It feels like the hair is being treatment. It had a really cooling menthol feel to the scalp, so it's very cooling. So I did that. It tells you to apply to wet hair and massage onto the scalp, working through the ends. Rinse well and repeat if necessary. I only washed your hair once. I really like the way my hair did feel when I came out of it. A lot of times when it says detoxing and all that, I always feel like my hair is going to feel dry, but it did really balance the hair, and my hair didn't feel as dry as I thought. Then I followed up with the hair Rescue Detox Mask. This detoxes, soothes, and moisturizes balance. This also includes rose clay, active aloe, and PE10. It's a high-performance scalp and hair fix inspired by skincare. It's advanced treatment mask formulated to detox scalp and hair from buildup and impurities that can clog pores, irritate the scalp, or lead to dry, dull, weighed down hair. So I followed up with this clay mask. Again, this has a really scented. It smells really medicated. It's really creamy. It kind of put me in a mind of like a perm. So I applied it like I was putting on a perm. It has that menthol smell. And again, my hair really tingled with this. I applied a generous amount of this product and I let it sit. It says to leave in for 10 minutes. So I did leave it on for 10 minutes. And then I washed that out. There wasn't a leave-in with this, so then I went ahead and I tended to the scalp because it came with a scalp rescuing detox and renew concentrate. Detoxes, soothes, moisturizes, balances. So I followed up with this and the scalp. I mean, it's really hard to review a product like this. It has a little sloop poke, so I just, of course, tapped it in the scalp, parted the hair, and went through and just kind of massaged my scalp in the sections that I applied this product. This also has the rose clay, the active aloe, and the PE15 B10 complex. Oh, there's instructions to do a patch test, and it tells you to shake well. I did that. Shake well before use, part hair, and apply this on the scalp. And then this box did not include a leave-in. So what I did was I used the serum. And I usually I had really started loving the hair serums because if you follow the channel, I love skincare. So I believe serums are a very important part of any skincare treatment. So like I mentioned, some boxes came with the oil, which I fortunately have a little sample of, and some came with the serum. Well, my box included the serum, and this is a restore. Also be used as a heat protectant. It's a multi-benefit serum for damaged and heat styled hair. It has a problem resolution, and it does say new, so I guess this is a new product on the line. It says new there. It is a high performance treatment serum. Restores moisture and strength to damaged and heat styled hair with moisturizing coconut, reparative, baboa protein, and hair strengthening active protein complex. Heat activates to protect hair from heat up to 420 degrees. This product was a little bit hard to use because, as you can see, it's a squeeze bottle. And of course, if you follow the channel, I always have issues with spray bottles or anything with a pump. It has a very small hole, and then look how this product comes out. It was coming out really like pretzel-y. It didn't come out full. It was just coming out like a string. This product smells really good. The other two products, between the shampoo and the conditioner, let me see how this one smelled again, the detox. Yeah, and the scalp repair, they all had more of a medicated treatment smell. This one smells really good. Then this smells extremely good, but I was having a problem with the pump, and as you can see, I used a lot of this product because I basically use it as a leave-in. So I used it all the way down here for my whole hair. So I used a generous amount of this, and then I followed up. This is also showing it's a new 8-ounce size. This is the ORS HAIRepair Coconut Oil and Papaya Conditioning Cream, and it's a cream texture, but it's a very light cream texture. And I always get scared of light texture creams because my hair is low porosity and I need lots of moisture. Very light whip. Very light. Look at that. Very light. So light. Very light. So based it with the serum. Then I put the cream on. And with the cream is a multitasking cream, hydrates and strengthens with coconut oil, papaya protein, and vitamin E to help reduce breakage while delivering a healthy, shiny look. So I based it with the cream, and then I applied my flexi rods. Okay, and this is a closer look of what the hair looks like. It's not bad. I was kind of nervous at first because when I applied the products, They didn't feel too hydrated. I was like, my hair is going to be a hot mess. What I did like out of this collection, my two favorites would be the shampoo and the clay mask. And that's because I felt more of a treatment, like the tingling, the penetration, the smell. I felt like my hair was really being treated, and especially the scalp, because like I mentioned, my scalp had been being itchy for this past week, and I'm not certain as to why that is. But with the serum, because it was hard to use and it was a little thin for me, and also the moisturizer, I probably wouldn't do that either. With the concentrate, the scalp concentrate, I'm sure there's a benefit that you would actually notice over a usage of time. That's one of those products that you would have to use over time to really determine. But I would say out of all the products, I would say my two favorites would be the shampoo and also the clay mask. If you registered the Curlbox, or if you've used any of these products before, let me know how they worked out for you. Let me know what your experiences was. Did you use them in the same order that I used them? Because I know that the detox mask can be used as either pre-shampoo or post-shampoo. So let me know how you used your products. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.